So that's just quickly how to sign up. I'm going to go through other aspects. It's obviously going to be a massive part of training. There's 40 plus apps. There's a lot of things to take into account. You can come if you've tagged Blue Happy Meat Limited as your Zoho partner. You can come to Blue Jeans Media, and you will have full access to all the training courses. Every training course. I'll add this one now. I've just done it, and it'll be how to set up the CRM, how to set up Recruit, Desk. 40 plus apps, plus any information you have to that you want me to go through. Any relevant queries or questions, you're going to be able to jump in. You'll also be able to go to the forum.paulnicholson. There's a lot of videos that I'll share links to. So Zoho One information here, setting up your Zoho One. But we're going to go big into depth. We're going to get you sorted. We're going to get you up and running. So this video was just signing up and doing the basic parts. Obviously now we want to talk about getting that domain sorted so that you can use maybe Zoho Mail with your own domain and add people that way. And then the CRM and the desk and Recruit and everything that comes with Zoho One. If you go to add applications, we know there's just an absolute bunch of apps to add. Apps coming from future ads. Orchestra's just been added, and marketing hub's just been added. Lots of things to do, but we're going to structure it in training where you can jump around and learn as you go and ask questions. So quick intro, lots more to learn.